Good morning. It's just about going to be noon, so I wasn't very sure how to address good morning or good afternoon. Having said that, whatever has been talked since morning, let me tell you, I don't think any of it was comic or funny or non-serious. But tell you honestly, the subject which we are going to address is very serious. We are going to be talking about healthcare. We are going to be talking of life and death situations here. My name is Sanjeev. I represent Midsphere, a company which was formed about 1 year back. As you would see there, we have a core team which comes from GE and Siemens, who has spent about 20 years in medical systems in healthcare. And there is a technical development team which comes from Yahoo's with a decade and more of experience. We think we understand the space well, we think where the problems are, and we think we have put a team together which has the solutions for those problems. Imagine a scenario, middle of the night, an accident happens, a victim is there, a problem is there, he's rushed to an emergency, a CT scanner is there, his images are done, but at that point of time, there is either no radiologist there to report the images, or the radiologist who is there is not competent enough to understand the complex problem which is he is confronted with. It's a matter of life and death. That's the situation we are trying to address here. We are trying to make sure that those data and that images which are generated there at the CT scanner or the MRI or whatever the machines are sent across to the radiologist wherever they may be at that point of time. The right one, the most competent one, will look at those images, give the diagnosis so that patient can get the immediate needed care. The challenges were these three. The data size was huge, which had to be transmitted across. It could be as small as 10 MB and it could be as big as a terabyte in some cases. The bandwidth, we know, was always an issue. Luckily today the bandwidth is not as much as an issue as it was a few years back. And also we are talking of very sensitive patient information where there's a huge security issues around it. Nobody wants that information to be compromised with or informed or leaked to anyone else. What did we do? We didn't do anything. We didn't build any rocket science, they tell you honestly. I think the streaming engines which in and out everybody sees on the internet today, downloading videos, we use the same streaming engine. We modified it, we tweaked it, we made sure that it addressed the healthcare sophistication which is required and runs on the available bandwidths in India. This is how a typical user interface looks like. Not much to talk about here. I think this is where I'm going to concentrate on and I'm going to spend some time. This is one of the live installations which Nicholas Piramal Group in Bombay has got. They have 30 diagnostic centers spread all over the country. Some of them as far off as Guwahati, Mangalore, Coimbatore, Surat, Bhopal, name it, they have it. All smaller towns where there is a challenge to get good radiologists. But accidents happen there also, problems come up there also. What do we do here? We've got one central server in Bombay where the images from all these centers are moved into real time, all the time. And this real time server is made accessible to a virtual team of radiologists who are again across the country. Somebody may be sitting in Bangalore and somebody may be sitting in Delhi, somebody may be sitting in Bombay itself. And based on the time they have allocated for this service, based on their competence level, based on the problem which is there, the rule engine has been built in, and these studies which move from various centers across the country into that server are directed towards those physicians or radiologists at that point of time. They look at the images, they make the report, and report travels back to those centers where it came from. That's all we have done, nothing else. This is the list of installations and the customers which we've already got in the last 9 months. We've got All India Institute of Medical Science in Delhi as our customer. We've got Jaslok in Mumbai. We've got one US group which is headquartered in KL and has got an Asia focus, wants to set up 45 hospitals across India and Asia Pacific. We've already signed off with them. Wellspring, I just talked about, this is the Nicholas Piramal Group. And we've got some centers now in Singapore, Malaysia, and Kabul tied up with us. The beauty about this product is We do most of the installations remotely. Kabul, nobody wants to go there to do the installation. Need is there. We did the installation remotely. We are going forward. We want to go to US. We have applied for Food and Drug Administration certificate. I think we should have it by March, and after that we should be all set for entering US. This is the radiology part. We have addressed the radiologist needs. Next step is we want to go to the physicians, and physicians would need more than radiology images. They would need the pathology and other things, and we are putting that together. That's it. Thank you very much.